This is model CFL 116901, a Fansconce from Moooni. It's a wall hanging unit, indoors and outdoors, E26 bulbs not included. We're going to show you how to install the 6-speed fan and what it's about. When you get your product, it comes in a nice brown box from the company. Opening up the insides and showing you how nicely it's packed. Protected by foam. The instruction guides is the first thing we pull out. We have a box, remote control hanger, and hardware. 2 AAA batteries not included. A hardware kit with a pair of gloves, anchors, screws, washers, and more. As we pull out separate pieces, we have a nut and bolt and spacer, a knob bracket, and more. We have the wall bracket. Before lifting the cover, we have the circular right angle bracket. Removing one layer of foam will be your fan. Going over the parts and details of the fan, 20-inch fan with the metal wire and black with round metal blade 3. You have E26 60-watt maximum sockets, 4 of them. It is AC ran, 110 volt, and you have the remote hanging out in the back. You have a right angle bent bar in a circular fashion that you're going to hang on a 90-degree design bracket. You have a black spacer and 2 knobs to hook up, and we're going to show you in the garage the fan hooked up. You're going to find a location in your attic, garage, greenhouse, gazebo, wall, indoor, outdoor. I'm going to show you how simple it is to hang up. All you need to do is take the right angle bracket. It's made of aluminum alloy, black finish. Find a spot on your wall, and what you're going to do is lock down with your options of your tools and screws and bits. Put a level on it, make sure it looks nice and leveled, and lock down. And it shouldn't take you no time to hang up. What you're going to do now is take the spacer, the cotlet pin, the nut, the washer, and the bolt. You're going to simply remove the cotlet pin and the nut. And what you're going to do is, you won't be able to slide this through the 2 holes here and put your fan or put this on in here. You're going to have to put the bracket and the spacer on. And I'm going to show you right here. We'll grab the right angle circular bracket like so, the spacer, the bolt through, and the nut. And then you're going to look for the hole and place the cotlet pin through and lock down. And you can tie this up so your fan does not move. It stays in the one position you like. We're going to put the brackets on. They go on one particular way. I'm going to place this on one particular way, and I'm going to screw down. I'm going to unloosen one. I'm going to turn around and grab another 2 sets bolts and lock down. And put your thumb bolts in. As I put my thumb bolts in, they got gears to lock into place. As you can see, I'm tightening down. I'm locking everything the way I like. I adjust the angle I want and lock down securely. I make my adjustments, locking down secured, including the fan bolt itself. We need now to put in bulbs. They could be put in through the front or back. They are old Edison type 60-watt bulbs, and they simply slide in Batteries and bulbs are not included, and the fan will only operate via the light of a AC outlet. It requires the remote control to further use the whole product. With your location, hang up your remote control. Going over the remote control, we have a red indicator, all off, lights on and off, forward, fan, wind, reverse, 6 speeds, fan off, 1, 2, and 4 hour timer. We plug in our fan, the lights come on, off and on. We have 6 speeds, speed number 6. It gets a acknowledgement that we're ready to run, and it runs at 6 speed. It is blowing out towards you. We have the wind in the center. We're going to hit speed. We're going to hit timer of 1 hour, and the fan will shut off after an hour. When adjusting the fan and rotating, you're able to rotate the unit safely. You're able to shut the fan off. Adjusting the fan the way you want, making sure the cable in the back is out of the blades area, and then turning back on to the speed you prefer. The fan only is on. If you want to have all the lights on, do so by hitting the light button. It is lights on or lights off with 2 speeds of low, 2 medium, and 2 high, and with a breathable wind button. Cool off your greenhouse, gazebo, yourself in front of the fan. Using the garage, light up your area. We're going to show you with the lights off how nicely lit the room is. We have the fan on nice and comfortable. It's very quiet in dB levels. And we have the lights lit up as well. If we need to direct the light to the ceiling or the floor, you may do so, as the light does give a throw at 360 degrees all around. The fan is adjusted to the area that is needed. It is a nice large design fan. The overall measurement from the bottom to the very top is 29 by 26, and the clearance in 90 degrees from front to back is 12 inches. With the fan adjusted to the back, it's able to tilt up to 180 degrees. It gives you a room of about 3 inches of clearance. I hope you enjoy your fan. Easy to operate, easy to hang, all off, lights off only. Hang it in the living room, a workspace, by the gazebo, indoor, outdoor, protected from the outdoor environments. I hope this fan is something that you are looking for in a nice design. Thank you for your time and viewing.